What waking up at different times of night means, according to Chinese medicine. If you sleep through the night without waking up, then you are very lucky. More than 40% of Americans report having trouble staying asleep, according to the National Sleep Foundation. While there are many theories about what this is, waking up at different times of the night has different meanings, depending on what time you are roused from slumber, according to Chinese medicine. Time at which you go to sleep or wake up could be sending you a warning message you shouldn't ignore, an article on WIKR.com noted. And New York Magazine reported that our obsession with sleeping through the night is actually a modern phenomenon that began in the 1800s, so don't freak out if you wake up when you think you should be asleep. The magazine noted that historian Roger Kirch examined how the traditional pattern for nighttime sleep was to do it in 2 shifts of segmented sleep. If you're not sleeping through the night, you are completely normal. And, if you're waking up, especially at certain times, your body and mind might be trying to tell you something. Waking between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m. Before we continue this video, do not forget to subscribe my channel to see other useful health videos. If you're waking up between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m., you could be emotionally disappointed. According to traditional Chinese medicine, this is the time when the gallbladder is active, and the gallbladder is tied to emotions. The gallbladder engenders the capacity for courage and bravery. Weakness in gallbladder function may manifest with a tendency towards fear and timidity. While the liver is responsible for planning and organizing, the gallbladder is responsible for decisiveness and execution. Inability to act may be tied to a gallbladder imbalance. We advise that people experiencing this type of wakefulness should try to forgive and accept themselves as they are.